He looked at the big man behind the desk. He saw at once that in some manner he was badly shaken. "Well, what is it that's so important, Virgil?" Leslie asked. There was no fire in his words. He spoke with the voice of a man who had made a strong and bold move, and who was now asking himself if he'd done the right thing. Tibbs laid a piece of wood on Gillespie's desk. It was a rough brown section of a limb, about 2 inches in diameter and 22 inches long. Gillespie looked at it without speaking. "What do you want me to do with that?" he asked. "It's the murder weapon," Tibbs told him. Gillespie picked up the fatal piece of wood and examined it curiously. There were unmistakable stains at one end, which gave grisly proof of what it probably had done. The chief turned it round in his fingers and then